Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for a beautiful necklace set that is not only elegant and classy, but also absolutely beautiful, I would definitely check out this beautiful 14 karat gold plated necklace set from Tewiky. Now, I love this set for so many reasons. I love very simple and elegant jewelry, but that can be worn every day as well. This set can be worn together or separately, which adds the ability to wear it with so many different looks. Whether you're wearing these every day or dressing them up, they are both beautiful separately and together. I love the beautiful solitaire cubic zirconia as well. This is what really drew me to this necklace set because I feel like it adds a beautiful feature to it and just draws your attention right to the necklace set. This set is very dainty, which I love. It's subtle, yet absolutely stunning. I love the sparkle of this necklace. Not only does the gold give off a beautiful shine and shimmer, but the solitaire cubic zirconia just is beautiful and shines so nice in the light. This necklace set from Tewiky is now my go-to necklace set. I love that I can layer them. I love how dainty and beautiful it is, and it's truly a staple piece for anybody's jewelry box. But that's just my point of view.